AI is a true disruptor as far as businesses are concerned. Of course, it's affecting everything. It's affecting finance, accounts, supply chain, all operations of an organization.
AI is not just a technology or a trend. It's a fundamental shift in how humans and machines interact. It will reshape everything.
AI is going to add trillions of dollars to the global economy in the next decade or so.
For you to realize the value of this impact and to realize the value of this impact for your business, you need to learn and understand AI to harness its power. AI&Beyond has joined hands with Ashoka University to bring together a 3-day course, which we call AI Unboxed, where we distill the most useful, practical, and relevant information for you and your business.
It brings a unique blend of theory, practice, and future implications of AI. There are lots of AI courses out there, I grant that, but this one is a very special one that is worth signing up for.
So do join us there at AI Unboxed.